Hey guys, welcome back to Cheat Day. I'm Kylie Jenner and that's Khloe Kardashian. Actually, do you have a different last name now?
Chloe
Thompson.
Did
you get married?
I think they got divorced. Or they're broke up.
Anyway, welcome back to Cheat Day!
You guys, we've been doing so much Clevver Kardashian content all week long. We are midweek right now. There's even more content to come. Don't forget to subscribe for all of that goodness. But we decided that we should do a Clevver Kardashian cheat day.
Which means we're just gonna eat all of their favorite foods, so we're thrilled. Chef, butler, person that brought the food. Bridget, bring out the food. Oh yes, Mom's homemade lemon cake.
Oh yes, I couldn't see past my weeks. Thank you for describing it ahead of time.
So you guys, apparently our mom, Chris, makes this famous lemon cake for all of her events.
Famous homemade lemon cake.
Technically, it's homemade, but it actually comes from a box and it's just like the Duncan Hines cake. And then her secret ingredient is that she adds pudding.
Oh, you love that.
But that's a pretty standard hack. But I do love pudding, so yes.
And it's now no longer a
Please
secret.
don't swing around that knife like.
Sorry. Oh, it's very moist.
Who made this one?
It's very moist. Probably Chris herself. She dropped this off as like a little housewarming gift to our new Airbnb.
There's a bit of a pool in the middle. Is that?
This is her signature water.
Just give me a big old slice, thank you.
Yeah, it's her signature goop. You know, like Gwyneth Paltrow has her goop, so does Kris Jenner.
Oh, yes, that.
Okay, great. It has a little powdered sugar on top. I love a good pea dust.
Do people eat lemon cake? Wait, what?
I just made that up.
I mean, I don't even like this at all, but I'm so hungry that I'm just eating it.
I really like this. This is really good.
I would pay so much money to watch Chris even make a box cake. Like, I don't think she's doing that. I think she's hiring someone to do it.
I feel like she's forgotten. She's so famous, you stop doing normal things that you can't operate in a normal life
She's
anymore.
busy running a lot of people's lives, including ours.
Yeah, exactly. Mom, we see you, we love you. So, Kylie, this is not good for you. I'm on keto right now, and this is not on the Atkins list.
So apparently Kylie only likes the marshmallows out of Lucky Charms, which like I totally relate to because isn't that how everyone feels?
Everyone feels that way.
But not all of us are Kylie Jenner. Not all of us get Lucky Charms to send a custom box of just marshmallows. We totally had PAs do this, didn't we? They didn't send us a box.
No, I think that there's some company is generically ripping them off and sending people marshmallows.
But these are authentic. Kylie recently, I tweeted out, I just had cereal and milk for the first time. Do you think she counted this? Maybe she would just eat marshmallows and milk.
I think we should have milk with this. Do we have milk? It's not on my keto diet, but I had my assistant pick
No,
some
we
up
don't
for
milk
you.
too bad.
Oh, we didn't? My assistant's getting fired.
I feel like Kylie's whole life is kind of like, she didn't really get to be a kid, so now like,
As an adult,
she's just a billionaire that can eat this for dinner.
oh my gosh. Okay, so this is not on my keto diet.
Why are we just eating candy?
Okay, because it's a cheat day. It's cheat day. Cheat day. Cheat day.
Say it one more time.
It's a cheat day.
Courtney has a very specific way of eating these.
And the other end. Uh-oh.
Now, for the record, Twix and Kit Kats are my favorite chocolate candy bars.
I thought you were gonna say are not the same thing, and I was gonna say no one thought that. I don't like chocolate usually, but out of all chocolate candies, Kit Kats are the ones that I'll eat the most because there's so much wafer in them. So I think it's not that much chocolate.
I love wafers. Nilla wafers and then Kit Kat wafers.
But now we have to eat it like Courtney does, and that frustrates me because she eats all the chocolate separately. So I'm gonna have to just.
Well, Kim technically taught Courtney how to eat it, and now Courtney says there's no turning back. Once you eat a Kit Kat like this, you'll never eat the Kit Kat the same way again.
Pretty life-changing.
This is what Courtney does. She bites the end pieces without getting the wafer.
Just the chocolate, which I feel like is a very precise.
And she says when you eat it like this,
I screwed it up already.
don't get the wafer. She says when you eat it like this, it makes you feel fuller faster.
And I feel like she does a lot of things with her fingers while she's eating it. It's very like, she's like moving it around a lot. Like she's touched every surface of the Kit Kat by the time she's eaten it. This just feels very unnecessary and messy. Like,
I messed up. I should.
What other kind of weird are they into?
Thanks for giving me the heads up because I literally can't see past
Guys, I'm so excited. Popeyes!
Popeyes! Okay, so
I think my favorite thing about the Kardashians / Jenners is that they are like the richest people in the world. They're essentially American royalty, and they eat Popeyes.
And not only do they eat Popeyes literally all around the world. There are photos of them eating it in their jets.
Oh, I want to eat Popeyes in a private jet. I go to McDonald's all over the world.
Oh, it's literally down my thought.
No, I mean, it's really hard for me to not like a kind of fried chicken. You really can't screw it up that much.
So, well, you say that, but I'm from the South and I've had some really crappy fried chicken.
Shouldn't it all be good from the South?
I have to say, Popeyes is better than KFC.
It doesn't feel super unhealthy. That's coming from someone that eats McDonald's almost every day, but it doesn't feel like greasy or...
That's just a mind game that you're playing with yourself.
It's
It
just
is
chicken.
very unhealthy.
Right?
Oh my gosh! Thank you so
Great.
much. Thanks.
Salad.
That's my trash. Thank you. Okay, so these are the Kardashians' favorite salads from Health Nut and Calabasas. And if you saw our 24-hour Kardashian day this week, you will know that we ate the chef salad version of the Health Nut salad, but this is the Chinese chicken salad, which I think is my favorite version. And I don't even like salads, and I know you don't like salads, but this salad is literally the best salad I have ever had. I crave it all the time, and I just don't understand why they're not a chain. Like, why do I have to drive
There's
to
not very many
Calabasas?
things in it.
But I don't know how to explain it. The dressing is amazing.
See, dressing is my problem because the reason I don't like salad is because everyone's like, well, you just need to find a dressing you like. But I can never find one I like.
You're gonna like this one. I think you should just go big and just pour it all in.
This is gonna be the one after years of trying salad.
Look, I'm telling you, if the Kardashians put their signature on it, you're gonna like it. All right, let's just jump in here. Honestly, I do think this makes it taste better.
Because you're so tired from shaking it that you're like famished when you're done.
Oh, you're such a picky eater. So annoying.
I ate it anyway.
You're gonna like it.
I feel like you're faking.
No, I'm not. I love this salad.
You know, could be worse.
What's wrong with it, Lils?
It's okay.
Like, if you had to eat it every day, would you?
If it was the only thing I had available.
I have to say this is kind of terrifying because
She hates fish and I hate sushi, so I don't really know.
I'm just praying there's edamame or something.
I feel like this is very sacrilege for people who do like sushi because we're wasting it on two people that are not going to appreciate it.
No. Oh no. Lily, look inside of there.
Yes, I guarantee you that this meal in this small box was probably at least $70.
Was it? More like 17, but it's close. I can't, you guys.
Would soy sauce make it better?
I really can't. I really can't.
We're literally being treated to like fancy, really nice sushi, and we're both like,
I know, it's just I'm not like emotionally ready.
do you know what it reminds me of?
It's like fingers.
The like grubs that they eat in The Lion King. Like the little worms.
I don't want to eat this.
I'm just gonna take a bite and I'm just...
Oh no. Ugh! Ugh, it's so gross. One of these got in my panties one time. I told you that story, right?
8 million times.
Oh my god, no. I can't believe you ate it. Actually, it wasn't that bad on the way down. It's a mind over matter thing. I have to work through therapy on this. Actually, the taste is not bad. Wasabi does add like a little to it. What is this? What? Where did this come from? Did I order this from Craig's? You bought it. I bought this. You're welcome. It doesn't smell like what it looks like. This looks like Chef Boyardee ravioli that you heated up when you were 7 years old. But a little chili, that's okay.
If I could eat, there's like only a few meals that I would eat every day for the rest of my life. Pasta with meat sauce is definitely one of them.
So good. The truffle is strong and I love that.
I would prefer if it was not cold. But
I agree. It's a little chilly.
otherwise, it would be good.
It's a little chilly. We don't have microwaves because it's really bad for our bodies. Oh my gosh!
Oh, we're gonna eat Kim's birthday cake with that.
You know why we're eating it without her? Because she's always late. Have you seen the intros to all of our shows? She's never there on time.
Get out of our way. Stop.
You know what? What do they say about late people? Early bird gets the worm, or losers?
Early bird gets the cake.
No, there's something else. Oh, you snooze, you lose. Someone said that about a Christmas tree last year. That's right. Sorry.
On the Kardashians or in life?
In my life. Kim's birthday's tomorrow. That's one of the reasons why we did our Cleverdashian week this week, to celebrate her. So should we sing happy birthday? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Kimmy, Kiki. Happy birthday to you.
Maybe we should reverse
and
prior.
many more. My mother-in-law makes me make up a new birthday song for her every year and sing it.
Tristan Thompson's mom.
Did you really order? Did you say this is for Kim Kardashian's birthday when you ordered it? I hope you did. You know how
I think you're trying to kill us. I think it's.
You know how at weddings they have
dense cake.
They have that cake that you taste like crap.
It's fondant.
Yes, fondant. Why did anybody invent such a
I don't know, but
crappy
it feels
thing?
like that's like the entire outside of it.
Oh no, is this a fondant cake? A fondant?
Like, yeah, they look cool, but then they don't taste good.
Well, honestly, this table hasn't been broken in for cheat day yet, so it probably doesn't have diseases on it. It's a little crumbly.
So this is like the kind of cake that they get at every special event.
This was at Kim's first wedding with the Humphreys guy.
I believe, yeah, but they get it for like any
She
kind
had
of.
a wedding before that.
Oh, she was married before that? Did Hanson's give her cake?
It wasn't that in
I don't
Vegas
know
though.
about when the Hanson's cake got involved. I think it's mostly a birthday
Hanson
party.
cakes they've done like for like family things, I think.
No, also for her wedding. I was there. Literally, I was at her wedding.
I think it's.
I would know that
her sister.
I would know the kind of cake my sister got for her wedding.
Like allergic to being a Kardashian.
This is really good. I feel like this is the best way to end an episode. Wishing Kim happy birthday. Girl, we see you, we love you. Thank you for being in our lives. You inspire us
Totally know
every
you're
day.
watching this episode.
Honestly, she will. She's gonna see this, play the part. Okay?
Bible.
No, don't offend her.
sick.
We want her to like, are you okay?
Yeah, just lost sugar right now.
Okay, good. So Kim, thanks for being our sister. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to this channel for more Cleverdashian content. And should we do more Kardashian stuff? I think we might have done it all.
I think everyone in the comments will agree now.
We'll see you back here next week on Cheat Day and hopefully look a little bit more normal.
If we survive all this food.
You guys, that was so much fun, right? All that Kardashian content?
So much fun.
Yeah, and if you want more content, click over here because we did a ton of videos about it.
Please click quickly because I just need to change.
Billy hates being a Kardashian.
I can't handle it. I'm not cut out for this lifestyle, you guys. Just click it.
And subscribe!